Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can neatly and easily take in your oversized jean or pant trouser effortlessly, accurately, like you are an expert. You don't even need to take in with that. So stay tuned. First, you just need to unseam the waistband. So the waist of this band is 18, which is 36, very bigger than mine. So I'm just going to minus 27.36. So I'm going to be removing 9 inch from this waistband to get my actual waist measurement. So just make sure you do that when you are doing yours. This is the kind of measurement you need to do so that it fits perfectly to your waist. You see from the very beginning of my video. So this is what is SS, which is 9 inch. Now I'm just going to join the bands together, so like this. So this is it. Now the next step, which differs in many ways for different people. So usually you just need to pleat in this both sides of this into the waistband. Sometimes it's hard to pleat it like accurately, which for me is so stressful. Sometimes when people dart it, which at the end of the day it looks so ordinary. So I'm not just going to do mine like this. This is not what I want. I don't trust this process. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a waistband that's exactly my waist size to pull in the material to the exact waist that is in the band. So I'm just going to attach the band from the very beginning of this and then stretch and sew until it gets to the other side, which automatically just reduces it to my waist. So this is the trick of this. So this is it. Now everything is set equally. I'm just going to mark the sides so that I fit in it at the very appropriate place. So now I'm going to just sew them, sew the waist, the band to the down part, just like that. Just make sure that every side are equal from the side and to the back. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to put it in the band and then sew. Put in the band and sew. So this is it. It's so simple. No much work needed to be done. Everything is in place. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and then share to your friends so that they too can learn how to do this. Thanks so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye for now.